In this video, we're going to walk through the most useful Gmail keyboard shortcuts so you can fly through your inbox without touching the mouse. I'll show you how to turn them on, and a few everyday shortcuts you can start using right away. Step 1. First, we need to make sure keyboard shortcuts are actually turned on. In Gmail, click the gear icon in the top right, then choose See All Settings. Scroll down in the General tab until you see Keyboard Shortcuts. Select Keyboard Shortcuts on. Then scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Once you do that, everything else we cover will start working. Step 2. Now let's learn how to move around without your mouse. In your inbox, tap the J key to move the highlight down to the next email, and K to move it up. When you're on the email you want, press Enter to open it. When you're done reading, hit U to jump right back to the inbox instead of clicking the back button. Step 3. Once you're comfortable moving around, you can clear your inbox super fast. With an email selected, press E to archive it and get it out of your inbox without deleting it. If you truly don't need an email, press the pound key or hashtag to delete it. And if you hit the wrong key, just press C right away to undo your last action. Step 4. You can even start and send messages using shortcuts. From anywhere in Gmail, press C to open a new Compose window. Type your email like normal, and when you're ready to send, press Ctrl+Enter on Windows, or Command+Enter on a Mac. It feels a little strange at first, but it's much faster once you're used to it. Step 5. When you're reading an email, you can respond without reaching for the mouse. Press R to reply just to the sender, or A to reply all if there are multiple people on the thread. Anytime you need to search, just hit the / key, and your cursor will jump straight to the search bar so you can start typing your keywords immediately. Step 6. There are a lot more shortcuts than we can cover in one video, but Gmail has a built-in cheat sheet. Press Shift plus the question mark key, and a shortcuts window will pop up over your inbox. You can scroll through it and even keep it open while you practice. Think of it as your training wheels while you build the habit of using these keys. That's all you need to start flying through Gmail with keyboard shortcuts. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more quick tech tips.